Megan again, here with another craft tutorial, and today I figured, since I'm at the library, I'm gonna make a craft with what I've got. And I thought I would make a cute little rainbow cloudmobile. So what you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need a bunch of sheets of colored paper, whatever color you want. You're also gonna need scissors, a pencil, and then you also either might need tape or a glue stick for attaching some of the stuff together. Or alternatively, for attaching these, you might want a hole punch. I just use tape since that's what I've got right now. But to start out, you're gonna want a bunch of different lengths of string. Like, it doesn't really matter what. You're gonna need a longish one for the cloud that we're gonna set aside. Top of the cloud, which, again, I probably need a hole punch. But I'll set all my raindrops aside because I went and drew a bunch of them on different colored paper and already went and cut a few out, like you can see here. And I will probably adjust some of those as needed and cut out more if I need them. Or want them, because why not make more? And then for the cloud parts, I just drew a loose shape on some cardstock, and I'm going to cut this one out. And I might trim things up. After I've got most of it cut out, just to make it look nicer. Alright, so we'll set that scrap aside. Then, what I'm going to do now that I've got these three pieces, I'm going to make sure they're all facing this way. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm going to stick this extra stuff. And I'm going to make a couple tape loops. And that's how I'm going to attach these, since tape is what I have right now. Check on the back to make sure that's lined up. Push it down. It's not a permanent solution, but it works for now. Like if I had the big clear plastic tape for like shipping or book tape, that might hold a bit better. Glue would also hold a bit better. And going and manually punching holes in the raindrops and tying them on would also be more permanent solutions to this. This was just wanting to make something fairly quick and cute, or at least get a start to it. Yeah. I'm just gonna go there, because then what I would do is I would want to take a hole punch and punch a hole where I wanted it and just tie it off. That way it sticks on there longer. But for now, what I can take is with this and just stick a piece of tape on it in order to get an idea of how I want this placed. So I'm gonna just cut a couple more pieces too. Always go back and clean things up if mistakes happen. Sometimes they're happy accidents. And yeah. Let's see. We'll leave you here for now. Take this one. couple of dark red. Cut some shorter tape strips. And go flip that around. Come on. Excuse me. And put that roughly where I want it. Flip this back around. Really wish I did have a hole punch right now, but I'll get that later, and that way I can finalize things. This just helps for figuring out placement. Let's take other string. We'll do pink. And losing it. Right, that. I just wanted to do this mostly just to give a rough idea what the finished project would look like once everything's cut out and there's holes punched and things tied off. But I could take a bit, and I just want to give a start of this. Stick that. So to give you an idea what things are going to look like in the end, I'm gonna get something like that with a whole bunch of these strings and however many little water droplets on these you want. So I hope that gives you a great idea, and you have a great week. Bye-bye for now.